so that this country is rescued from El Nino.
Jotelo mag duond bura mar ODM kao telengi kod jakeno margi Timothy Bosire osoko wang sirkal ka gikone piny owacho yulo reso jok makoth mar El Nino oseweyo kod midhiero. Ka oloso bang' romo kod jood bura mag ODM e gwenge mag Nyamwange, Kitutu Masaba e kinde keto kare chenro mag duond burano mitayo kod ogai margi Raila Odinga. Gikone jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua ni mondo mi otang' kod weche mawuok e dhoge ni mar othuo piny owacho mag counties kod jopiny ni nitiere omenda mosechwalnegi to omenda go onge.
Even though we expect the government to rise to occasion, we have been witnessing confusions and misinformation regarding management of the El Nino effects without actually doing much. Instead of UDA government resetting the machine so that they rise to occasion, you have seen the contradictions and the misinformation and conflicts regarding responses to what is happening. You saw the other day the deputy president saying that the central government had already dispatched the resources to counties so as to address the effect of El Nino. But soon after, the governors responded by saying, this is not correct. Resources have not been sent. Only for the deputy to come back and say, they have not sent resources after all. And now you wonder whether there is an effective government in place.